Hi Jamaica! My name is Bridgette Young, a proud Jamaican, and some of the things that I absolutely love about Jamaica is our diversity in food, such as we have ackee and saltfish, we have the jerk chicken. I absolutely enjoy the freshness of the fruits in Jamaica and the varietal mangoes that we have, berries, breadfruit, the list goes on and on. I also love the music of Jamaica, from dancehall to reggae to soca. There's also the topography of the island that is super important to me, and this is going to be like the rivers, the number of rivers that we have there, the mountains, and also the beaches, especially my favorite, which is the 7 Miles Beach in Negril. But one of the most important things about Jamaica that I absolutely love is going to be our people. And it doesn't matter who they are or who they love. Nuff up yourself, Jamaica, and love up yourself, Jamaica. One love.